Woo! Oh, Hector, my great friend. Here is the game plan. You're gonna bring us to absolute martinis, and you know I like that, straight up. And precisely 7.5 minutes after that, you're gonna bring us two more. And then two more every 5 minutes, yes, 5 minutes until one of us passes the fuck out. Thank you, Hector, thank you. How to make this job? Good question. How to fuckers you want to do this job, man? Hookers and cocaine, my friend. Okay? Stay with me. Fuck the clients. Your only responsibility is put the meat on the table. You got a girlfriend, right? So think about her. Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket in your pocket. Number one rule of Wall Street. Nobody knows. I don't care if your name is Warren Buffett, Jimmy Buffett, or John Doe. Nobody knows. If the stock is gonna go up, down, sideways, in a fucking circle, list the stockbrokers, right? Is everything a fugazi? Do you know what a fugazi is? Fugazi, Swoozy. It's very dusty, it doesn't exist. It's never landed. It's not on element chart. It's not fucking real. Okay, stay with me. We don't create shit. We don't build anything. So when you got a client who brought his stock at 8 and now he sits at 16 and he's all fucking happy and you want to cash it and liquidate it and run home and with this fucking money, you don't let him do it. You don't let him do it because it will make it real. No. You know what you do? You come with another idea, another special idea, another stock to reinvest his earning and then some. And he will, believe me, he will every single time because I know them, they're fucking addicted. Okay? And you just keep into it. Again, and again. And then, meanwhile, he's thinking he's getting shit rich, which is on the paper. Me and you. The stockbrokers, we're taking home hard cold cash via commission, motherfucker. Wow. You have to be excited. But there are two keys of this broker's business. Two keys of success. Number one, you have to stay relaxed. How many times a week do you jerk off? Because you have to pump the numbers up, my friend. Moi, I jerk off at least twice a day. Once right after workout, once right after lunch. Why? Because I want to. It's not a reason why I do it. I fucking need to. Think about it. You're dealing with a number all day long. High frequencies, digital, decimal numbers. Fucking digit. Fuck. Woo! It's all acidic monster shit above the shoulders, right? Woo! So the con can wig some people out. You gotta feed the G's if you want to keep the blood flowing and if you want to keep the rhythm below the belt. This is not a tip, this is a prescription, my friend. If you don't do it, you will fall out from the balance. Glitch the differential and the tip fuck over. And worse yet, and I've seen it happen, imploding. And you don't want to implode, right? Implosion are ugly, trust in me. So pop off to the bathroom, work one out anytime you can. And when you get really good at it, you will be fucking stroking it and you will be thinking about money. And now, the second key of success is this little baby right here, and that's called cocaine. Yes. It will help you to be sharp between ears and also will help your finger deal faster. And you know what? That's good for me. Oh, Hector, thank you. Bring the clients on the Ferris wheel, and it goes. The park is open 24/7, 365, all decade, all fucking centuries. Yeah, that's it. Name of the game, El Kidiki. Hector, wow, he's the best. Keep it up for me. CEO of the money comes in, the parade comes down, good on Broadway. That's one way street, woo, to the way I go.